In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create a clan here in Raid Shadow Legends. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and find the clan hub. It's going to be down towards the very bottom. Essentially, select the clan icon. It's going to bring up the clan hub. And once you're in the clan hub right here, what you need to go ahead and do is select create clan. Now, right now it says, join clan. You want to make it select create clan. And of course, just keep in mind you do need to be level 13 before you do this. From here, you're able to enter in your clan details, your name, which you can do up to 20 characters, your tag, this is optional, but it's up to 5 characters, and then of course you got the description, language, minimum power requirement, privacy, whether it's open or invite only, and then of course you have to pay 250 gems as a creation cost, but once you confirm, it's going to be created right away, and of course you become the leader, and you can start inviting players or recruiting right away as well. But that is it. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.